So, you are building an API in 2025 and you are stuck between REST API and GraphQL. It's like choosing between your iPhone and Android developer friends. Both are convinced they are right, and honestly, they both kind of annoying. What's up, developers? Today, let's settle down the debates that has been raging since 2015. And no, we are not doing another boring technical comparison. We are figuring out which one you should actually use in your project. Let's find out. In 2025, apps are juggling more data than an octopus playing piano. Whether you're building a social network or a smart freeze that nudge you about leftovers, choosing the right API change everything. Performance, developer happiness, and yes, your weekend plans. REST is like going to a restaurant with a fixed menu. You want a burger? Here's a burger with fries, a drink, and a salad that you don't ask for. That's your endpoint. Take it or leave it. In case of GraphQL, it's like having a personal chef. You tell them exactly what you want. I want a burger, hold the fries, extra pickles, and just the drink. You get exactly that, no more, no less. REST has been around since 2000. It's the OG, it's the veteran of APIs. And GraphQL, born at Facebook in 2012, open source in 2015, it's the millennial of the APIs. More flexible, but also more complicated. Let's start with REST because honestly it deserves some respect. It's simple, like really simple. Get, post, put, delete. Your grandma could learn REST. Let's talk about the benefit of REST. The caching is inbuilt. Browser and CDNs love REST. HTTP caching just work out of the box. Everyone knows it. Your junior dev, your senior architect, and the random contractor you hired probably know REST. Stateless and predictable. Each REST request is independent. No weird state management nightmares. But REST isn't perfect. In fact, it can be kind of a pain. REST comes with overfetching. You only want a username but you get 50 fields. Also have underfetching. You need the user and their post and their comments. There's 3 separate API calls. Version hell. We are on V1, V2, V3. One person still using V1 from 2019 and we can't shut it down because of legacy client. REST is like that friend who reliable but refuse to adapt. This is how we always done it. Yeah, thanks REST, but it's 2025. Now let's talk about the cool kid GraphQL. One endpoint to rule all of them. Just post to GraphQL and ask whatever you want. It's like API magic. No overfetching. You want 2 fields? You get 2 fields. Your mobile app on 3G will thank you. No underfetching. Get everything you need in one request. User, post, comments, likes all in one go. Safe documenting. GraphQL has introspection built in. Your API documents itself. REST could never. GraphQL is basically REST after 3 espressos and motivational seminars. It's doing the most. And honestly, sometimes that's exactly what you need. But before you go for the GraphQL, let me hit you with some reality. Complexity. Setting up GraphQL is like assembling furniture. It looks simple in tutorial, but you are gonna cry. Caching is hard. No URLs means no HTTP caching. You need RAIDs, Apollo client, and custom logic. It's a whole thing. Learning curve. Your team need to learn schemas, resolvers, queries, mutations, and subscriptions. REST has 4 HTTP vibes. This is a whole language. Overquerying. Someone will write a query that bring down your server. Let me fetch all users with all their posts and all their comments. Server explodes. GraphQL is powerful, but with great power comes with great database bill. Okay, enough roasting both of them. Let's get practical. When should you actually use each one? If you are building a simple card apps, public APIs, file upload downloads, microservices, and when you have a small team, go for the rest. Basically, if you can solve it with REST without pain, use REST. Don't be the developer who use GraphQL for a to-do app. And you should choose GraphQL when you are building complex, data-rich applications, mobile apps, multi-client types like website, mobile app, TV app at the same time, and need a real-time feature, then go for GraphQL. Here's a secret that internet doesn't want you to know. You can use both. Use REST for simple card operations and file handling. Use GraphQL for complex data fetching and your main app. Netflix does it, Shopify does it, so you can too. So, which one should you use in 2025? Drop a comment below and let me know what you are building. And if this helped you to make a decision, smash the like button.